Team, today we are showing you a bulk email and SMS marketing software. So this is a dashboard. Here you can check ticket information, active ticket, pending ticket, or bulk information. So here you can check the um, just let me seconds. Okay, so here you can find out the ticket data. Here you can check balance. Okay, after that you can check your invoices data here. Second option, we have a client. So here you can find out our complete client data here. Okay, if you want to add any new client, then you can add client as well. You just need to add new client. You just need to click on add new client, then you can add. Here you can add some details, and then it will. If you want to export, so you can export as well your data. Okay, after that we have a client groups. Here you can check client groups, or if you want to make, then you can make it groups. After that we have invoices. So here you can find out the all invoices data. If you want to send email, then you can send email. You just need to add some data. After that, send bulk email, so you can send bulk email as well. You just need to add first client, that compose email, that confirm, and then send. After that we have email history. So here you can check email history as well. After that, same things which we have for SMS as well. So here you can add SMS. After that, you can, if you want to send SMS in a bulk, then you can. Okay, SMS history, you can check your purchase SMS plan, you can check, or you can view features. If you any user want to buy, then they can buy easily. They just not need to select payment method, and then they can do. Okay, see, so here you can check this invoice we had created. So here this is the unpaid, so you can check the data, or you can pay it manually as well. So invoice is completed, fully paid, so this data all updated. Okay, after that, here you can check other things like support tickets. So here you can check all support tickets, all active tickets. Okay, here you can easily log out as well. Let me show you some other things as well. Okay, just a second, let me log in with the other credentials. Because of this is the just seconds, we already show you the user login. Now I'm going to share with you the other logins. Okay, then you can check the client info, ticket info, bulk info. Here you can check your invoices, ticket data. Ticket data here you can check. After that, here you can check clients. All client data you can find out here. If you want to manage, then you can manage clients as well. Here you can create a new client as well. Here you can manage other things like bulk email, bulk SMS. Okay, here you can check default email gateway which we are going to use. Export and import details which things we need to do. After that we have delivery data options, sorry, dashboard. So here you can check groups, invoices. If you want to generate any invoice, then you can generate as well. So here you just need to add some data. So the product data here you can add. After text, and then confirm and send. Bulk email, for bulk email here you can check data. So if you want to send email, so you can email as well. You can email history check, or here you can check email provider data. So these are email provider which we already added. So here you just need to add some key, then it will work. So first is SMTP, so you just need to add some data. After that, this things for SMS. So if you want to send in a bulk, then you can send it bulk as well. So in the last here you can select the gateway like SMS, other things like Nextmove, or we have Twilio as well, Infobip, we have ClickTill, we have, so you can use that. After that, here you can check schedule SMS. So here you can schedule as well, so it will done. You just need to add client, search, and then go for a second page, and then confirm, and it will done. After that, you can check SMS gateways. So these gateway which we already integrated, you just need to add some key, then it will be live for you. Here you can check SMS price plan which we have created for our clients or customers who work with us as a partner or as a client customer. Okay, here you can check feature value and etc. Okay, after that here you can check add SMS price plan. If you want to add any new plan, then you can create plan as well. Okay, after that we have other options as well, like delivery, sorry. So this is the our all coverage area, which coverage area we are working. So here you can check or you can update your coverage areas. Here you can check sender ID. Here you can check which ID we had created, or you can update as well here. You can check unblock or block, manage or delete. After that, here you can check support tickets. If any user raise any ticket, then you can find out the ticket data here. Then you can. After that, setup. Here you can check our administration, or how much staff we have created. That data you can find out here. If you want to create any user, then you can create as well. You just need to add role to them. They can easily manage. So here you can make roles, staff roles. So you can make multiple roles, and in a manage, here you can give permissions to them. What permission you want to allow them. So with these permissions, they can manage your solution easily. Okay, so these are like system settings we have. Here you can check other things, application configurations which we have, currency and locations which we have. See, we can update logo ourselves. These payment gateway which we already working, you just need to add gateway key, then it will be work. Okay, if so here you can check these all things are done. Here you can check email template as well. So this is the complete demo which we already show you. If you have any query or doubt, here we can connect.